Hello, it's Nancy Matthews, and I'm so glad that you clicked on the link and joined me on this page. I'm launching for one time only in this year my 3-part mentoring program, and this is designed for leaders who are committed to continuous personal and professional development. I only launch this, like I said, once a year, and I am looking forward to a very special group of leaders coming together who are going to delve into the principles of living the one philosophy in a deeper, more impactful way. What we're going to be doing in this course is focusing on our vision and our mission. And this is slightly different from your typical business vision and mission statement. It's about the vision for your life and the impact that you want to have in the world, and your mission for how you show up on a continuous daily basis. The principles of the one philosophy are a beautiful way of living, and you know that because you're somewhat familiar with them already, and chances are you probably live the one philosophy, treating each and every person you meet as the one. What this course is designed to do is to support you in being a higher version of your already awesome self. So go ahead and join us. I look forward to being with you where we'll grow together as leaders making a positive change in the world.